You are a million times more capable than you think you are. I forgot to do my video today, and the day is almost ended. I'm running out of energy on my battery. I'm running out of energy in my body, and I thought I would do just a very quick video to say that you are already capable with your voice and yourself and how you present yourself in the world than you think you are. A lot of the time when someone comes in to do coaching with me for voice or comes into a workshop, the thing we're trying to work to is finding that version of them that already exists and releasing all of the things that they're holding, like vocally and physically, that are stopping them from being the best performer or speaker or person that they think they can be. So in this small time I have, and the tiny amount of battery, which is the main thing, I just want to tell you that whatever it is that you are capable, that you think you're not capable of doing, with your voice, with your performance, with your hope streams, all that stuff, you can. It is possible. I believe it. And while there are many techniques and tips and things that you can do to improve how you're using the physical aspect of your voice, ultimately, in the end, we all come back full circle and we go, oh, this was the person I was all the time. And that is something to look forward to, and also to just celebrate as humans. We already know often exactly what it is and who we are. We just have to uncover it. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there, otherwise this phone will run out of battery and I won't be able to get into the front door of my house, which requires my phone, as is the way with digital things these days. So I'm going to stop there. If you're interested in voice and all the other things in the world that I do, performance and all that stuff, sign up to the YouTube channel, hit the bell icon, follow me on social media. That is all for now. Very quick video, very quick video, but at least I got it done and continued on my 30-day streak of Scrappy videos on this channel.